We have taken DMIT test for Drishti. Please share your experience.
मैम पहले तो सुना नहीं था इसके बारे में, बट अभी जब आपसे बात सुनी, फीडबैक मिला, आई थिंक इट वाज बैंग ऑन, एकदम एक्यूरेट। आपने जो भी उसके बारे में बताया अबाउट हर लाइक्स, डिसलाइक्स, स्किल्स, हर बिहेवियर, एवरीथिंग, सब कुछ करेक्ट था। एंड yeah, I think जो skills आपने इसे बोले she should work on, she will definitely work on those skills. And yeah, this is quite knowledgeable and helpful for us and for Drishti also. I'm happy you सुना नहीं था, but आपने इसके बारे में इतनी knowledge दी है, so thank you so much for teaching us also this thing, and giving us so much information, knowledge about all this. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thanks. Thank you. So what are the two takeaways from it, ma'am?
Sorry?
What are the two takeaways from this report, DMIT report? What do you like to work on it? Two takeaways.
I think Drishti should work on her management skills, where she should, manage her behavior, where she should, understand how to handle the situation emotionally. And yeah, I think she'll explore other field also now, like आपने जो बोला उससे she should also explore other field, other options for herself.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, ma'am. We wish you all the best, Drishti.